The great fortune of Ganga, neither in past nor will be in future. So, the name of the place is Samudragad. You heard the conversation about Samudrasen and Bhimsen fight. A lot of debate was done at the place. Who is higher, Samudrasen or Bhimsen? Vaishnavas gave a lot of arguments and proofs from scriptures. So by this there is enhancement of mellow. It's not actually fight, it's a prem kalah, loving quarrel. Very beautifully a lot of Siddhant were delivered. Our Pujyapan Sridhar Maharaj, he took the side of Bhimsen. He gave a lot of arguments. And our Pujyapan Siddhanta Maharaj and all the other Maharajas, they took the side of Samudrasen. Very beautifully Harikatha was delivered there, and after that we went to the place of Jayadev Goswami Champahatta. There we had darshan of the deity served by Dvijavani, Gaur Gadadhar. You heard the glories of Champahatta. Hatta means market. In Satya Yuga, you heard the glories of the place, how beautiful that place was. Especially Jayadev Goswami glories you heard at the place. Jayadev Goswami was such a transcendental poet, and he wrote the book Gita Govinda, which Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu along with Swarup Damodar Raya Ramanand Gilrale. The book of Jayadev Goswami Sri Gita Govinda, the glories is so glorious. The King Ballal Singh, he would also qualify. In Gaur Kasi Charitavali, there is the name of Lakshman Singh. It's a little incorrect, but our Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bhaktivinoda Thakur has written the name of Ballal, so he has not written Lakshman Singh. It doesn't matter, Vaishnavas, whatever they speak, that's true. Anyway, Bhaktivinoda Thakur has written the name of Ballal Sen. If you go to Mayapur, you will see Ballal Devi. So Ballal Sen also heard the glories of this book and changed his disguised as a normal man and went to Jayadev Goswami. It has been mentioned in the history books. Oh, anyway, Vaishnava, whatever they spoke, it's true. No need to argue. So I showed this to Maharaj that see what it has been mentioned in Gaur Pasi Charitavali. Gurudev Bhaktivinoda Thakur has written this. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, the Nabdham Parikrama is the Nabdham Mahatmya is the book of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and he has written the name of Ballal Sen. But Gaur Pasi Charitavali shows the name of Lakshman Sen. You heard the glories of Gita Govinda. our Gurudev Sri Bhaktivedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, whenever he would speak Hari Katha, so he would not speak much of the Ras Katha, but he would always speak this sloka of Gita Govind, Yadi Smarane Sarasa Mana, Yadi Vilas Karasu Kotohala, Madhur Komal Kanta Padavalim, Shruno Sadaidev Saraswati.
यदि हरि स्मरणे सरसंगम यदि मन के अपना रसमाभित्र मध्य सरस करे राखते चान.
So if you want to keep the heart completely dipped in the transcendental mellow, yadi vilas kalas kotohalam, if you have this kotohal, if you have this eagerness to listen to the transcendental meeting of Radha and Krishna, if you want to listen all these pastimes, Madhur Komal Kanta Padavalim, the beautiful writings, the sweet, melodious writing of Jayadev Goswami, Shruno Sada, the Shuddha Saraswati, the purest Saraswati, the transcendental Saraswati, had made Jayadev Goswami write the book. So if you read the book, then for sure the heart will be filled with transcendental mellow, and you will get the teachings about transcendental Radha Krishna Prem. Our Gurudev would want to speak much of the Ras Katha, but he would speak pastimes of Dasya Sakya, Vatsalya, but the Madhur Ras pastimes people are not able to understand. They will end up developing material vision. So the confidential Nivrit Nikunja pastimes of Radha and Krishna, not everyone is able to understand. They will think, oh, it's like an ordinary meeting of a hero and heroine, romantic things. Those which are being seen in television and different movies and serials. So these remembrance of such distance of material thing would come into the mind. Gurudev, which is why I would say that if there are a lot of people and assembly, then such things should not be spoken. Shanta Dasa Sakya Vatsalya can be spoken, but the sweet pastimes of Madhurya Ras, it's not proper to speak about it. Because people will not be able to understand. They will consider it as they would consider Radharani as an ordinary woman, Krishna as ordinary men. Till the time the Anartha Nivritti is not done, then these things should not be spoken, he would say. In an open space or where a lot of assembly and people are there, then this loving pastimes of Radha and Krishna should not be spoken, he would deny. The qualified people can speak anything, though. But our Gurudev would say that those who are qualified, then basis their qualification they are speaking. My Guru Padma was very equitable. He was not partial. He would not blaspheme anyone. The one who is qualified for a particular verse will speak of the respective Harikatha. So, if one will examine, then he would say that Sankarasya and Vatsalya can be spoken. So he would, Srimad Mahaprabhu would discuss these sweet pastimes with Sarup Damodar Raya Ramananda. When Mahaprabhu would feel separation, and when he was in Gambhira feeling separation, then Sarup Damodar and Raya Ramananda will speak this Gita Govinda.
এই গীত গোবিন্দের যে গ্রন্থ অত্যন্ত উন্নত স্তরে
So Gita Govind Grantha is such a high exalted Grantha, and
এই গীত গোবিন্দের কথা আপনারা শ্রবণ করলেন।
you heard the glories of this Gita Govinda. Then we went to Vidyanagar.
বিদ্যানগরের কথা আপনারা শ্রবণ
You heard the
করলেন।
glories of Vidyanagar, where the entire Vidya, the concerned knowledge is discussed.
অক্সফোর্ড অফ ইন্ডিয়া,
Navadvip is considered as Oxford of India.
অক্সফোর্ড অফ ইন্ডিয়া। এখানে সমস্ত আগে তখন এখানে সমস্ত বিদ্যার কেন্দ্রভূমি ছিল, এমনকি নব্য ন্যায়ের কথা বলে এখানে আলোচনা হতো। চৈতন্য মহাপ্রভু
Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he would discuss about the Nyaya, the laws and
যে মহাপ্রভু
grammar.
যে বিদ্যার যে বিরাট, সেই বিদ্যার বিরাটের দ্বারা চৈতন্য মহাপ্রভু
So Mahaprabhu, he would show Vidya Vilas. Vidya Vilas means his scholarly pastime, where he was a teacher of grammar though, but he would discuss, he would expert in all the moral conducts and these
এই
things.
ন্যায় দর্শন করানো হতো, কিন্তু চৈতন্য মহাপ্রভু এই বিদ্যানগরে এই স্থানে এসে বড় বড় পণ্ডিত তিনি হারিয়ে দিয়েছিলেন।
So Mahaprabhu defeated all the big scholars in this Navadvip Dham. You heard about Sardarshan and other things. All the books are originated from this Navadvip Dham. Then Sarvam Bhattacharya, he was a great scholar. Then from here he went to Jagannath Puri. The Mayavad preaching that was done. He was grihastha though, but he was preaching Mayavad, and he was such a great scholar. He did not take sannyas, but he gave sannyas to others. So he would preach Mayavad, and he gave sannyas to a lot of people. Mahaprabhu, after taking sannyas, defeated Sarvam Bhattacharya and gave him the darshan in his 600 form. If you'll go to Jagannath Puri, or if you'll go, you must have had darshan. How Chaitanya Mahaprabhu defeated Sarvam Bhattacharya. Mahaprabhu defeated and gave him 600 from darshan. And he did his Stuti Vairagya Vidya Nij Bhakti Yoga. And then we went to Kobala, where it is no different Radha Kunda. You heard very beautiful Harikatha of Kobala. That is Radharani herself. And you heard from Vaishnavas, Kundir Mahima Jani Radhar Mahima. The glories of the Kund is not different from the glories of Radharani. There is no difference between the Kund and Radharani. So Radha Kund is considered not different from Radharani. So you heard the glories of the Kunda while performing Navadvip Dham Parikrama. The Radha Kunda Parikrama is done anyway. There is no other things, holy places left. You heard all these things. Then we came back to Navadvip Math.
हमारा प्रत्येक दिन काल के हमारा माम राशि परिक्रमा जहाँ भावी काल के एक तक एक जगह जैसी जगह वही माम राशि परिक्रमा करें